Story 29. A vizier paid a visit to Zulnun Misri and asked for his favor, saying, I am a day and night engaged in the service of the Sultan and hoping to be rewarded, but nevertheless dread to be punished by him. Zulnun wept and said, Had I feared God, the great and glorious, as thou fearest the Sultan, I would be one of the number of the righteous. If there were no hope of rest and trouble, the foot of the dervish would be upon the sphere, and if the vizier feared God, like the king, he would be king. And Volnun Misri, so, Jonah the Egyptian